Madam Speaker, the American people have waited too long for this Congress to put the focus where it belongs, on creating jobs and getting the nation back to work. Now we must boldly make up time for lost time. We need a plan as serious as the challenges we face, and the American Jobs Act is that plan. We will harness the industry and energy of the American people. We will give small businesses, the backbone of our economy, the incentives and assistance that they need to hire and to grow. We will put people to work, building a transportation infrastructure worthy of our 21st century. We will stop teachers from being laid off and help end the outrage of our crumbling schools. The American Jobs Act is good news for veterans, construction workers, teachers, firefighters, the long-term unemployed, and good news for all Americans who can look forward to a stronger economy and a more competitive nation. Let's work together to pass this bill and get the American people the help they need and the support they deserve.